Hi, Namaste. This is Bala Saraswati, LD Remedial Coach, on a mission to help 100,000 children overcome learning problems, especially parents. If you are a parent watching this video, please remember your child can do well. All that you need to do is work on the child in a very strategic manner. You can join our TYCY program where we do a customized program for your child, one on one. We work one on one with the child, making uh, him progress in the various areas. Yeah. So we have a question from a parent today. My child is good in all activity, but only problem is he does not remember his academic. He's 10-year-old and cannot write a story of his own. Please help. Oh, I can understand. He's good in everything but academics. No, it's not that he's not good in academics. He must be finding difficulty in academics. If he's finding difficulty in academics, then he needs help, isn't it? So we have to first identify what is that difficulty. What is it? Is it reading? Is it writing? Is it comprehension? Is it memory? Is it retention? Is it attention? Is it writing? Like here you've written, the question says he cannot write a story. Possible. So we have to know whether he can write a single line without help. Can he remember a story? Can he tell a story? Can he imagine a story? Writing comes much later. How many of us can write stories? I cannot, but I can tell a story. So, writing a story, there is pre-steps. Can he write something on his own? Like, what did I do the whole day? That's something I lived. So, you have to assess whether the child can write. If the child can do that, then we have strategies how to help him to write a story. To write a story, basically, you have to give some leads. Like in your story, you have to tell the child there should be one boy, one old man, then there is one farm, and one shopkeeper. Some lead. Now the child's brain will start imagining ting, 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 all directions. Now he'll cook up his own story. So first is ability to create story in the head. Then is the ability to write that story. To write the story, you need vocabulary, grammar, sentence formation, punctuation, blah, blah, blah. That has to be taught separately. So I really need to, this is how I diagnose. So when a problem comes to me, I cannot just give, there's no instant solution like instant coffee. But yeah, first I like to understand the whole difficulty, what all it is, and then specifically one by one, address those problems, create strategies and help your child. So thank you so much for watching this video till here, and if you're somebody who's looking out for help, in the description box, please click the link below. There's a link for teacher, there's a link for parent. Join our community. We are ready to help you and serve you to help your own child, because every child belongs to my country. Thank you. Bye-bye.